Today, we're going to hit a trail for beauty and just to relax and just get into nature, y'all. Let's go feed ourselves, let the trees talk to us, and cleanse our souls. And it's going to be quite interesting. I get it more into that later, okay? It's starting to snow, and let's go get some beauty. By the way, we're in Versailles State Park. We're on the trail. That's the observation trail. We're hoping to make it to the other side and get some beauty there. Mother Nature has a bite, at least the wind does. Holy, my gosh, you cannot deny this beauty. Oh my gosh, look at that. Unbelievable. Then again, I say about a half a mile that way is the highway. But still, you can't deny this beauty, man. We're going up to the smaller deck and we're going to decide from there. We'll probably take the outer trail back to the car and possibly get some more beauty. This video is for the healing of the soul. That's right. Now we was going to take back the tree trail, but we may take the grass trail back. Yeah, because my oldest son has never been here before, and I kind of want to show him a little bit of everything, if you know what I mean. One of the things I'm not doing, I'm not getting my thumbnail shots with my camera. So I figure I use a thumbnail off this today. That might work. Now, we're entering the forest again. The beautiful forest. Icy, be careful, guys. Snow's starting to come down a little bit more. So we're headed back towards the car. Oh, it's so beautiful in here. Oh my gosh. The trees actually talk to you. Listen to this. You hear, this is I don't know if this is snow or freezing rain. A little bit of both. Might be. All right, we're going to hang left and go back that particular trail to the car. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. Okay, that's enough beauty shots with the music. It's starting to pick up a little bit for the snow. But my gosh. Yeah. You know, it don't matter what trail you do. And you can still do a trail many, many times over because every time you get something different out of it. I picked this trail today because it is an easy trail. I will admit to that. It's very easy. I picked the trail today because of the simple fact Justin hasn't ever seen it before. And not to mention, I want something a little different. Plus it's cold. I don't want my wife freezing to death out here. Okay, be careful, Justin. That's that hill part I was telling you about. He don't care. He's gonna watch. Hey. He walks down that thing like he has not a care in the world. Look at him. Now watch us fall. Look at him. You are nuts. All right, let's try it. The only other person I know besides that little old lady that can outdo me is my son Justin. He is going through this trail like he owns the son of a gun. And I'm sitting there telling him, be careful. Watch your step. And I'm the one that's dang near falling off through here. I dang near twisted my ankle. And let me show you what I almost twisted my ankle on. These little acorns right here. I stepped on it like this. And my ankle went like that. And I also hit a rock, what we call trippers. And I'm telling him to watch his step and be careful. But you all know me. I trip, I fall, anytime we're on a trail. And I'm the one of these, I'm the one that goes off the trail and gets myself lost. But it ain't for Angie, she gets us out of there. I just go where the beauty is, man. Yeah, I just like to go off the beaten path and just see what I can see. I like to explore. All right, guys, this is it for today. Let's close it out. We still got a little bit of ways to get to the car, but we're almost there. So, guys, pick a trail. It doesn't matter if you've been on it 100 times or more. Beauty's beauty. And like I said, even though we've been on all these trails multiple times, every time we come on one, we see things we didn't really see last time. And plus, beauty never changes. If you still keep getting the same effect, why not repeat it? Till next time, come on, let's get out of here. And by the way, the purpose of this video is just to get out and feel the beauty before the work week. That's right, just get out in nature. Beautiful, isn't it?